Looks like you took a wrong turn, Princess.
Really? I hadn't noticed.
Think you could get us out of here?
Tell me, whose bright idea was it to come here? Only fools come to the Forbidden Forest.
And yet, you're here.
But I'm not swinging from a tree.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, the name's Aidan.
I'm Brianna, and I guess you recognized my sister, Princess Annika.
Sister? I can see the resemblance.
I don't see her.
Who?
My bear cub.
Let me guess. Your cousin?
Funny. Oh,
Where does this go?
To big trouble.
To big trouble. To big trouble.
Can you take me there?
Forget it. Your cub's gone for good.
Fine. Don't show me. I'll find her myself.
But you can't... Is she crazy?
Apparently.
Come on.